It is part 11. I'm doing 73 in progress. October 19th, 2021. And I'm not sure, I haven't decided what I want to do yet on this expanse of white on the top and on the side here of what I've done so far. This fits into that rarefied self-described category description, which happens every few years, of my describing a new artwork is unlike anything I've ever done before, which is actually fairly remarkable considering I began sketching in 1967 when I was in high school, late 60s, early 70s, in block prints, and then college, 1972 through 80, art studies. All right, to be continued, Kurt Huber Memorial with a B-L-E-E-C-H-I-E, Blechy sea monster. How are we doing, Budgie Wudgies? Everybody's ready to nap. It's 5:15. They can sense the winter timing here. Well, I also pulled the drapes a little while ago. Okay, that's it for now.